Whoa, this is crazy. A bunch of little circles make up this ball? Oh wait, atoms. I wonder who even thought about atoms at first?
Democritus was the first to suggest that atoms were real. He thought atoms were indivisible and indestructible. Democritus's theory was indeed correct, according to further explanations and theories in the future. But scientists did not want to experiment on his theory because it did not follow the scientific method. He was also the first person to make an atomic model. Democritus's atomic model was very simple, as you can see.
Aristotle did not believe in Democritus's atomic theory. He proposed that all living things and matter was made up of 4 individual elements: earth, water, fire, and then air. But we all know that that's wrong.
Antoine Lavoisier discovered the law of conservation of mass. He stated that the sum of the weight of 2 chemical substances, when combined, is equal to the weight of the newly formed compound. Lavoisier's discovery helped guide John Dalton to his atomic theory. Lavoisier did not have an atomic theory or model himself, however.
John Dalton's atomic theory consists of 4 parts. 1, that all elements are composed of atoms. Dalton's second part of his atomic theory is that atoms of the same element are identical. The atoms of any one element are different from those of any other element. Dalton's third part of the theory is that atoms of different elements can physically mix together or can chemically combine in simple whole number ratios to form compounds. The fourth is that chemical reactions occur when atoms are separated, joined, or rearranged in different combinations. As a result of a chemical reaction, atoms of one element are never changed into atoms of another element. With his experimental methods, Dalton made Democritus's ideas on atoms into a theory.
J.J. Thomson discovered electrons. He discovered the electron and its negative charge by using a high vacuum cathode ray tube. Thomson's discovery of electrons and their negative charge was correct, but his model was incorrect, as we will find out why later.
Robert Millikan was very interested in Thomson's theory. He found the charge of a single electron using an oil drop experiment. By doing this experiment, he proved that subatomic particles did exist and that Thomson was right.
Robert Millikan shows how Thomson's atomic model was incorrect because Millikan's has the electrons around the central area of the atom. Ernest Rutherford essentially discovered the nucleus of the atom. He was the first to find that in every atom there is a small, dense, and positively charged nucleus. His model shows electrons in a rotating motion around the nucleus and the nucleus just as a small positive sphere. Rutherford was mostly correct. His only flaw is that he does not mention neutrons being in the nucleus at all.
Louis de Broglie had developed the wave mechanic theory, which improved our knowledge of the nature of atoms. He believed that electrons can act like waves and particles. He predicted that the waves produced by the electrons orbit around the nucleus. This explained some of the things that electrons do that we haven't been able to explain before.
Finally, we have James Chadwick, who confirmed the existence of neutrons. His theory stated that neutrons have a neutral charge and that both neutrons and protons are found in the nucleus of every atom. This theory, as we know today, is correct.
Oh, those were the people who discovered atoms.